The S-350 Vityaz is a mobile surface-to-air missile SAM system which entered service with the Russian armed forces in 2019. The SAM is designed to destroy both ballistic and aerodynamic targets, which include combat aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, and cruise missiles. It was developed by Almaz-Antey company as a replacement for the aging S-300 which was developed back in the early 1980s. The 9M96E novel version guided missile under development will be called RIDET. The Vityaz complements the Morphy, the S-400 and the S-500 air defense systems in the future aerospace defense network to engage targets at ranges from 5 to 400 kilometers and at altitude from 5 meters to near space. The Vityaz, which is expected to replace the outdated S-300 system, is superior to similar foreign models. The system has been in the works since 2007 and features advanced all-aspect phased array radar, a new mobile command post, and a launcher carrying 12 vertical launch missiles, which used variant of the 9M96 active radar homing missiles. The first set of these complexes was transferred to the armed forces of the Russian Federation in December 2019. Almost 150 launchers of the S-350 Vityaz air defense system will be delivered to the Russian aerospace forces by the end of 2027. The Russian Defense Ministry said until the end of the current state armament program for 2018 to 2027, the industry must transfer 12 S-350 system divisions to the Air and Space Forces anti-aircraft missile forces. Each division has 12 fire installations and they in turn have 12 missiles. The Ministry of Defense clarified that one division also includes up to 3 multifunctional radar stations and a combat control center. The system division may be given automated reconnaissance and target designation equipment and compact vehicles of the Panzer S anti-aircraft missile and cannon system. On 8 November 2021, Dvornikov said that the new S-350 Vityaz systems were preparing to take up combat duty in southern Russia.